everyone. How are you? I think you all are fine. So, because of this pandemic virus, we have to do our lessons through online system. I think it's okay for you. So we will start our lessons in grade 7 science. So we have, you all know, we have covered first and second lessons in science book. So we were talking about the third lesson, electricity. So please open your books, textbook, and also writing book. I have given the notes for our third lesson, electricity. So in electricity, I think you have remember we have talked about the sources of electricity. What are the sources? There are three main sources of electricity. I think you can see first one is chemical cells. Chemical cells mean, what are the chemical cells? Simple cell, dry cells and batteries. Those are the chemical cells. Then you know the solar panels. Third one is dynamo. So first and second we have covered. We have discussed about the chemical cells and solar panels. So in chemical cells, electricity is generated by how? How the electricity generated in chemical cells? So in chemical cells, electricity is generated by a chemical reaction. Inside the cell there is a chemical reaction, so electricity is generated by chemical reaction. Here the second one, solar panel. You all know, sometimes in your home there is a solar panel. So electricity is generated in solar panels by solar radiation. So the solar cells need solar radiation, the sunlight, for generating electricity. So the third one is dynamo. I think you have remember, you all know what is the dynamo. In your bicycle, you can see there is a dynamo in front of the bicycle. So in dynamos, electricity is generated by rotating or moving. So there should be a rotation or movement to generate electricity in dynamos. You all know, in your bicycle, when we the lamp in the bicycle lights only when you are riding the bicycle. But when you are not riding the bicycle, the lamp does not illuminate, because the dynamos are working because of rotation of the movement. Okay. So in this lesson, in dynamo lesson, we will talk about how the dynamo is working. So the dynamo used in bicycles to light the lamp. Mostly in bicycles you can see the dynamos, and also in hydropower stations, thermal power stations, also they use dynamos for their work. Then you can see in number of vehicles they are using dynamos. Mostly in cars, vans, lorries, they are using dynamos. Okay, now I think these notes are in your book. I have given the notes, so go through the notes when I teaching you. Okay, now take your activity 3.10. We will discuss the activity. Okay, this is activity 3.10. I think you all have drawn this figure, and I think you have written the method, observation and conclusion also. I have given because I have given the notes previously. Okay, we will discuss what is happening in this. So what is this one? This one is a bar magnet. These are the bar magnets, and What is this coil? This is a copper coil, and the copper coil is connected to a galvanometer. The same figures, okay? So here, the copper coil is winded around the bar magnet. So if this is a bar magnet, the copper coil should be winded around the bar magnet, okay? Then we have connected the two ends of copper coil to the galvanometer. Okay, then we have to first we move the bar magnet to the left side. Okay, then we have to observe what is happening in the indicator of galvanometer. So when we move the bar magnet inside the coil to the left side, we can see the indicator of galvanometer also go to the left side. Okay, here left side, we move the bar magnet to left side, and also the indicator of the galvanometer goes to the left side, one side. Then we move the bar magnet to the right side. Then we can observe the indicator of the galvanometer also goes to the left side. So when we move left, right, we can see the indicator of the galvanometer also goes to left side, then right side, left side, right side. Okay, so this incident is happening in the dynamo. This is the simply we can simply get an idea what is happening in the dynamo. Okay, what is this? Don't think about the topic, we will discuss it later. So focus on the picture, the figure. What is this? This is the inner view of our dynamo, a bicycle dynamo. Okay, I think you all have seen the dynamo. So this is the inner view of the dynamo. So let's see what are the parts of a inner wheel of the dynamo. So this is the wheel. Wheel means the bicycle wheel. When you are riding the bicycle, the wheel is turning, rotating. Okay, this wheel is connected to the magnet. This is a magnet, okay? And this is a metal rod. Metal rod means a rod is made from metal. Metal කියන්නේ මොනවද පුතේ? ලෝහ වර්ගය. ඒකට ලෝහයකින් තමයි මේ rod එක හදලා තියෙන්නේ. U shape එකකට නවලා තියෙනවා. Okay. Then this magnet, this is the wheel. The magnet is connected to the wheel, and this is a metal rod. The metal rod is wound with insulated copper coil. Now we will see what is happening in the dynamo when you are riding the bicycle. So you are riding the bicycle, the wheel rotates, no? This wheel rotates. So the wheel is connected to a magnet here. So magnet here, when you are riding the bicycle, the magnet also rotates because the magnet is connected to the rear wheel. So when the magnet is rotating, we can see the generating of electricity. So what is the reason for it? Because this is a metal rod. The metal rod covered with the copper coil. So here in previous practical we are discussed, I think you can remember, this is bar magnet. The previous practical we have discussed this. This is galvanometer. So In the previous practical, we have discussed we move this bar magnet inside the coil, left and right, move. We move this bar magnet and we could see it is electricity is generated because of the movement. While we are moving the magnet, we can see the movement of the indicator of galvanometer. Okay, this incident is same to the incident in the dynamo. Here the insulated copper wire and inside that there is a bar magnet. So bar magnet rotates inside the copper coil. This is copper coil. So inside the copper coil bar magnet is moving. So we can produce the electricity for this incident. So the method that generating electricity by this according to this So generating electricity by using this method we called electromagnetic induction. In Sinhala විද්‍යුත් චුම්බක ප්‍රේරණය අපි කියනවා පුතේ මේකට විද්‍යුත් චුම්බක ප්‍රේරණය. එහෙම නැත්නම් electromagnetic induction in English. So what will happen here? So this copper coil is a conductor. You know what is conductor? We have previously learned this one, conductors and insulators. Conductor means sannayaka. That means the things which carry electricity. Mostly conductors are the metals. This copper coil is a metal. That means copper coil carries electricity. විද්‍යුතේ සන්නයවනේම නේවා. විද්‍යුතේ ගෙනෑනේවට අපි කියනවා conductors කියලා. So a magnet. So this is bar magnet. So in surrounding of bar magnet there is a magnetic field. Here you can see this is north, this is south. These are the magnetic lines. This is magnetic field. So think this is the magnet. This is a bar magnet. So you know around the bar magnet like this there is a magnetic field around the bar magnet. So when rotating the bar magnet, the magnetic field also rotates. So here this is the bar magnet. Bar magnet rotates. When the rotating of bar magnet, magnetic fields around the bar magnet also rotates. So the magnetic field cut with this conductor, cut with this insulated copper coil. So this conductor produces electricity. So these are the terminals. From these terminals we can take electricity. So this simple incident we called electromagnetic induction. සිංහලෙන් කියනවා පුතේ විද්‍යුත් චුම්බක ප්‍රේරණය. විද්‍යුත් චුම්බක ප්‍රේරණය. ඒ කියන්නේ magnetic field එකත් එක්ක conductor එකක් cut වුණොත් touch වෙලා magnetic field එකත් එක්ක cut වෙනවා නම් ඒ conductor එකේ මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ පුතේ electricity එක generate වෙනවා. So what is electromagnetic induction? The generating electricity in a conductor when magnetic field is cutting with the conductor. Okay, generating electricity in a conductor. The magnetic field is cutting with the conductor. This we called electromagnetic induction. So this is happen inside the dynamo. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to make a simple dynamo. Okay. Turn to page number 48 in your textbook. So there is an activity 3.12, making a simple dynamo. So we'll see how to make a simple dynamo. So you need a bar magnet, then a bundle of iron wires, a galvanometer, and a copper wire, insulated copper wire. Okay. First, we have to take a bundle of iron wires. Bundle of iron wires like this and bend those into U shape like this one. This is a bundle of iron wires. පුතේ මෙම්ම U shape එකට ඇඳලා තියෙන්නේ මේ bundle of iron wires. කියන්නේ iron wires bundle එකක්ම තමයි අපි ගන්නෙ. Iron wires අපි ගන්නේ it is iron is a conductor. Iron කියන්නේ ලෝහයක් සන්නායකයක්. ඒකේ විදුලිය ගමන් කරනවා. So we take bundle of iron wires. Iron wires ගොඩක් අරගෙන ඒක U shape එකට නවනවා. So here we have bended the iron wires into U shape. Okay. Then we have to wind the copper insulated copper wire around this iron wires, bundle of iron wires. We have to wind the copper wire around the bundle of iron wires like this. Then copper kambi api otala තියෙනවා. Then we have to connect the two ends of copper wire into a galvanometer. Then we have to take the bar magnet fitted with a cork. Cork එකකින් high කරලා. Then we place the bar magnet like this. Bar magnet එක like this in between the bundle of iron wires. අර bundle of U shape එකට හදාගත්ත iron wire එක ඇතුළට අපි අරන් යනවා මේ bar magnet. Then you can turn it like this way. Turn. You can turn. So bar magnet will rotate inside the bundle of iron wire. So see what is happening in the galvanometer. So when you turn the bar magnet, when you rotate the bar magnet, you can see the indicator of the galvanometer is moving. You can see the movement of indicator of the bar magnet. So what will be the conclusion? The observation is we can see the movement of the galvanometer indicator. So we can tell the conclusion is we can generate electricity using a bar magnet inside a bundle of iron wires, and that is a copper wire. So this is like a simple dynamo. So dynamo ඇතුළේ මේක තමයි වෙන්නේ. So there's a magnetic field around the bar magnet. So magnetic field, when we rotate the bar magnet, magnetic field is cut with the copper wire, and copper wire is generated electricity. So we can generate the electricity in a conductor by rotating a bar magnet inside with the conductor. Okay. This is called what? Previously we have studied about what? Electromagnetic induction. So this incident is same to the electromagnetic induction. විද්‍යුත් චුම්බක ප්‍රේරණය කියන්නේ මේකටම තමයි. Okay. Now I think you have taken the notes. The method. You have to write the method, observation, and conclusion of this practical. Okay, I have given to you. Okay. So second point is what are the methods to increase the efficiency of the dynamo? දැන් dynamo එකක් ගත්ත මේකේ efficiency එක. කාර්යක්ෂමතාවය අපි කොහොමද dynamo එක වැඩි කරන්නේ? There are two things. We have to do two things for increase the efficiency of a dynamo. First one is increase the number of turns in the copper coil. Increase the number of turns. So here we have used the copper coil. We can increase the number of turns. අපිට පුළුවන් මේක ඔතලා තියෙන වටගාන වැඩි කරන්න. The second one is we can use a powerful magnet. So first one is increase the number of turns of copper coil. Second one is we can use a powerful bar magnet to increase the efficiency of a dynamo.